How to set Spotify music as alarm in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your Spotify application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches. So just go to the Play Store application and search for Spotify app. Now since my app is updated, so I don't have the option of update, and I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me directly to the application. So wait for a while and it will lead you to the home page of Spotify application. After that, you can choose any song that you want to keep as alarm. So here I'm choosing Paper Rings. So tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and you can scroll and look if you have any option of keeping it or setting it as alarm. Now as you can see, there's no option of doing that. So one of the only option that we have is downloading this music to your device and then setting it as an alarm via settings of the device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.